Is your commercial freezer not staying as cold as it should, building up frost, or running less efficiently than before? A small but important part could be the reason. Welcome to PartsFe. A fan delay switch plays a key role in controlling when the evaporator fans turn on and off during defrost and cooling cycles. When the freezer enters its defrost cycle, the fans need to stay off, so warm air isn't blown around inside the cabinet. Once the coil cools back down after defrost, the switch automatically closes and allows the fans to turn on again. But if this switch fails, the fans may run at the wrong times, leading to temperature issues, frost buildup, or reduced cooling performance. Before replacing the switch, always disconnect power to ensure safety. Locate the switch near the evaporator coil. It's usually fastened with 2 screws and connected with 2 wires. Inspect it for visible damage like corrosion, burnt terminals, or cracks. If continuity testing shows inconsistent readings or the switch isn't responding to temperature changes, it's time to replace it. To remove it, simply loosen the screws and gently pull it out, paying attention to wire placement. When installing the new switch, a helpful tip is to tape the 2 wires together so they can be easily rerouted back through the coil housing. Reconnect the wires exactly as they were and tighten everything securely. After restoring power, observe how the system runs. Fans should stay off when the coil is still warm after defrost, and then turn on once the coil cools to the correct temperature. This ensures proper air circulation, stable internal temperatures, and efficient operation. Regular cleaning of condenser and evaporator coils and routine inspection of switches can help prevent future issues. For trusted commercial freezer replacement parts, visit PartsFe.com in the USA, UK, and Canada. Follow us on social media for expert appliance repair tips from PartsFe. Thanks for watching.